So thank you to Penguin Random House. They sent me this pair of books. It is a picture book biography, Sing With Me, the story of Selena Quintanilla. So I think it's, so it's actually a Selena I don't know. It is by Diana Lopez and illustrated by Teresa Martinez. And it's coming out in both English and Spanish, which is fantastic. So I don't know who Selena Quintanilla is. So I always like learning about new people. And so this is one of the most influential musicians of all time, a superstar. So is it the Selena that we all know about? But then what is her last name? I feel like it's not Selena Gomez. Who was it? Okay, anyway, let's just take a look. So she was always interested to sing, and here she is growing up, I think in Texas, Lake Jackson, Texas. She sang at the family restaurant. The recession hit in the 80s, and they lost their restaurant and their home and relocated to Corpus Christi. And here they started performing with this bus, and Selena started learning Spanish because she didn't, even though her parents did, and slowly just performed for bigger and bigger stages. Quintanillas. And it looks like she made a bunch of albums and won 36 Tejano Music Awards. That's right, and she died at 23. Okay, I'm like blanking on her last name, so I will put that in the down box. But this is the Selena that we all are familiar with, the famous one, who died tragically young. So I guess that's her real last name, but I feel like her stage name was something different. I will look that up. Thank you. These look great. I'm glad they're in Spanish and English so that, people who are learning Spanish can read it in both languages to help learn the language, but also it's just available for people who speak Spanish as maybe their first language.